Hey, Songs by Jem here. All the songs I sing are written by me, and this one's called The Birds. I wrote it a while ago. I hope you like it, and if you do, please feel free to share, like, and subscribe to my channel, or you can go follow me on Instagram at quotesbyjem. Somersaulting, gliding, free of pain and free of chains, they're free. I wonder how the birds feel. I could see it in your eyes, wishing, waiting, wonder, smiling through the hurt and lies, praying strength would be. I wonder how those birds feel, soaring, flying, somersaulting, gliding, free of pain and free of chains, they're free. I wonder how those birds feel. With the joy of flying comes the fear of falling, but I'm ready, dear, so please quit stalling. How the birds feel. And I let go of secrets past, whispered all my doubts and fears, tasted sun that wouldn't last. You just smiled and said, my dear, we discovered how those birds feel, soaring, flying, somersaulting, gliding. Discover how those birds feel.